Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Outlook notifications not working. If you're not seeing alerts for new emails in Outlook, there's a good chance the notification setting has simply been turned off. In this walkthrough, we'll go directly into Outlook and check that the app's notification option is enabled. To begin, open the Outlook application on your device. Give it a moment to load fully so all menus and account options are available. This is important because some settings may not appear right away if the app is still loading in the background. Once Outlook is open, move your attention to the top right area of the screen. This is where you'll usually find the Settings option. In most versions of Outlook, Settings is represented by a gear icon. If you don't immediately see it, take a second to scan the top right corner carefully, since it can be easy to miss among other icons. When you locate the gear icon, click on Settings to open the Settings panel. This is where Outlook keeps many of its customization and app behavior options, including alert preferences. After the Settings panel opens, look for the General section and click on it. The General category typically contains broader app preferences that affect how Outlook behaves overall. Opening this area helps you get to the notification controls you need. Inside General, find the Notification option and click on it. This section is specifically where Outlook manages how and when it alerts you about incoming messages or other updates. If your notifications haven't been working, this is the key place to check. Now turn on notifications. Make sure the notification setting is enabled so Outlook is allowed to send alerts. Once this option is switched on, Outlook should begin displaying notifications for new activity again. After enabling it, it's a good idea to pause for a moment and make sure the change stays saved. In many cases, Outlook applies the setting automatically, so you may not need to click a separate Save button. You can then return to your inbox and continue using the app as normal. If notifications still don't appear after this, double-check that Outlook is allowed to show notifications on your device itself, since system-level notification settings can also affect what you see. But within Outlook, this is the main setting you'll want to verify first. And that's how to fix Outlook notifications not working.